As an ambitious e-commerce business owner, you want to run your warehouse like a pro. Packing errors and processing delays can easily lead to angry reviews and unsatisfied customers, resulting in a loss of time and money. Meet iPacky, your new fulfillment partner for growth. iPacky speeds up the fulfillment process and stops packing mistakes. 1. Scan an order number or select an order. 2. Scan each item. 3. iPacky will show you if any items haven't been scanned or you try to scan the wrong item. 4. The order is marked completed when every item is scanned correctly. That's it. What makes iPacky so unique? Speed up the process with bin locations, create kits or bundles, and make sure that every item is checked. Use product and internal notes to improve the information flow. Get packing status and other reports to help you improve the process and make it more efficient. iPacky is continuously expanding the functionality and is already available in English, French, German, Norwegian, and Spanish. Start packing error-free today.